everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about an Indian brand called Pilgrim, and I have been using their retinol night cream and also retinol eye cream for a while now, and I will be reviewing these products for you. So without further delay, let's start this video.
I got time, it's clear to see.
Talking about the brand, Pilgrim is an Indian brand which is cruelty free, and it is also FDA approved, and it is free from 20 toxic ingredients. These products do not have parabens and sulfates in it, so if you are looking for a product which is free from chemicals, then you can definitely try this out. The first product that I want to talk about is this retinol night cream. So now let's see the unboxing of this product.
Forever free. Sometimes you need to go.
So the main ingredient in this night cream is retinol. So retinol helps in fighting acne. It also helps in reduces wrinkles and dark spots. If you have any acne scars, then you can definitely try out this product. Retinol also helps in increasing collagen production, which helps in anti-aging. So if you are looking for an anti-aging cream, you can definitely try out this product. So retinol has these benefits which can help to get you a glowing and radiant skin. So this retinol night cream also has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid in it. Vitamin C is an antioxidant. It helps in protecting your skin from damage. Vitamin C also helps in lightening hyperpigmentation, and it also enhances the glow of your skin. It also has hyaluronic acid, which is a very good moisturizing agent. So if you have dry skin type, then hyaluronic acid is one of the ingredients that you can include in your skincare routine. Hyaluronic acid also helps in promoting healthy skin. This night cream gel also has anti-wrinkle properties, and also it heals your skin. If you have any dark spots or scars, you can definitely try out this product. So now let's see how to apply this product. So I'll be using this retinol night cream here. So these products come with a spatula, so it's very easy to apply this product. So I will be applying this product all over my face using the spatula. So this night cream gel also has a very good fragrance, which is very soothing. It will not give you headache no matter what. So that was how I used the product, and you can apply this product every night. So I recommend not to apply this product in the daytime since it contains retinol. So it's better to apply overnight, so it will give you amazing results. So the next product that I want to talk about is this Pilgrim Retinol Under Eye Cream. So let's see the unboxing of this product.
Take a step back to see the truth around.
So this is how the product looks like. It retails for 450 rupees for 30 gram of the product. So this is how the eye cream looks like. It has a very light texture. It gets absorbed into your under eye very well.
You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me meant to be in the great outdoors.
This Pilgrim Retinol Under Eye Cream contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin C in it, both of which helps in giving you a radiant skin and also helps in moisturizing your skin. So most of the under eye problems are because of the dehydrated under eye skin, and it gives you a very good moisture to your under eye skin, which can help in reducing your dark circle and also the pigmentation problem that we have under eye skin is very sensitive, so Because under eye skin is very sensitive, it requires a great amount of hydration. So this product helps you to give that, and also hyaluronic acid and vitamin C combination will help you to reduce the dark circles and wrinkles under your skin. I personally include these two products in my nighttime skincare routine, and this has made my skin radiant and my skin is very healthy since I've been using these products. That was all about today's video. So if you're also looking for a nighttime skincare routine which has no sulfates, parabens and toxic ingredients, you can definitely buy these products from the brand Pedigree. You can check the description box for the link to buy these products. I hope this video was helpful. If so, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video.